Simple Green D Pro 3 Plus antibacterial cleaner kills 99.9% of germs while removing dirt and grime in one easy step. The high-performing formula eliminates a long list of bacteria and viruses, including those that cause serious public health concerns and are antibiotic-resistant superbugs. The broad-spectrum disinfectant is hospital-strength, EPA-registered, and OSHA bloodborne pathogen compliant. It's safe for washable, hard, non-porous surfaces, including metals, plastic, and more. It also eliminates mold, mildew, and fungi with a non-acidic formula that won't harm sealed stone, sealed grout, or glazed tile like other disinfectants. The concentrated formula provides thorough cleaning, disinfecting, and deodorizing, while high dilution ratios offer great product economy, making it ideal for use in office buildings, factories, medical facilities, gyms, childcare centers, and anywhere cleanliness and disinfection are necessary. Leading industries and institutions choose Simple Green products because they work. They're also gentler on equipment, safer for employees, and kinder to the environment than many traditional chemicals.